Good morning and welcome to video 100. We are finally here. It has taken me 1 year exactly to film these 100 videos. So 1 year ago I bought this amazing abandoned villa here in Italy and decided to renovate it. For anyone who doesn't know us, I'm Sam, and together with my girlfriend Lyanne, we are tackling this renovation project. This project started about a year ago and we have done so many things.
And it is a bit overgrown, to say the least. So here's a grand preview. This is the house that I will be working on for the upcoming few years.
You wouldn't believe it, but we started with clearing the driveway, or actually what's left of the driveway, because we couldn't reach the front door. After that we cleaned the kitchen, we've cleaned the whole house, we moved some stuff that was in here which was absolutely gross to the garden shed.
Are these diapers?
And then from the garden shed we moved everything into a container. I think it's actually called a skip. And then we could get rid of all our stuff because we couldn't get our hands on a skip earlier. But luckily we had some help from friends and family. I didn't expect so many people to lend us a hand, but truly so many people came over to lend us a hand, and I am super grateful for that because it has really enriched this whole adventure.
We got a garbage trophy.
So thank you all so much. Thank you to the people that have come over to lend us a hand, and I'm already super excited for all the people, the friends and family that are gonna come over to help us out later on. There are a few goals that I have for this project. Among other things, I want to get to know the culture, I want to learn the language, I want to explore the country and experience everything that it has to offer, from landscape to kitchen to culture. I want to renovate and learn how to renovate because I love learning stuff. I think everything is gonna become clear today. Oh, and I should also not forget my secret love / addiction for gardening, so that's definitely on the list.
Thanks.
And ultimately, it will also lead to a better relationship with the people that I work with.
All right.
Ja, dat zie ik net.
Boom, pardon, pardon.
Zo dan.
Ja, dan moet je een beetje op zijn zijde, hè?
Yes, go babe.
On top of that, I wanted to do everything as sustainable as possible on a low budget because I have a low budget. And I wanted to reuse as many materials and products as I could. So armed with these ideas, dreams and convictions, a year ago I set out to create my ultimate off-grid sustainable dream villa here in Italy. So as mentioned before, we have done so many things in 1 year, and I am super happy that I started 1 year ago on a parking lot on my way here to Italy by recording the progress.
I have been putting off this moment for so long, but here we are and we finally need to talk about it.
It was so hard to start, but I'm super grateful to myself that I actually did. Lastly, I am so grateful to all of you who are following and supporting us by watching our videos, as well as the people that are supporting us on Patreon or as a YouTube member. And I'm I'm super stoked that you can all enjoy our little adventure here. This past year was amazing, and I think if anything, it is a sign that next year and the years after that will be even more awesome. So I hope you're up for the ride. The basis for the villa is here now. I've got so many side quests still on the list. We can finally start renovating in the house. The garden is gonna be epic. I am super stoked. I hope you are as well. So let's make upcoming year best year yet. Thank you guys again, and I will see you soon. Ciao, ciao.